Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to reset all user data in your Garmin Drive Smart 65. And this should work on all newer Garmins, but this particular Garmin that I'm using right now is the Garmin Drive Smart 65. So here's how we delete all user data. The first thing we need to do is we need to click on volume. Yeah, out of all the things, click on volume, and then in the upper right corner, keep your finger pressed and for about 10 seconds. And the very first option that you have here is clear all user data. You click on this and it tells you if you want to clear it, yes or no. In my case, no thank you, because I don't want to delete all my user data. But if you want it to clear, that's how you clear it. I hope this video was educational. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.